Hello, in this video I will show you how to use graph screen to solve a geometric sequence question. So it's a very simple geometric sequence question. First term is given and a common ratio is given, and we need to find the smallest term which is greater than 500. Go to graph page. Instead of a function, we will press menu, graph entry, and choose 7th option as sequence. That U1 is not the first term. Be careful. It is the first sequence. We will type our sequence here. Initial term, we know the first term, it is 3, and we will press enter. We can play with Windows settings and to see the elements of the sequence, but we don't need those. We just need to press Ctrl T to see the values and scroll down to find the first term greater than 500. So our answer is 14. If you press Ctrl T once more, you can toggle it off. You can on or off with the same option. If you create a new tab for calculator tab and press variable, as the functions, our sequence is there as well. So click on variable, you will see U1 there, and if you need to find certain term, you just type n number and you will find the term of the sequence. Second method that you can solve this question on the calculator is basically nsolve. So let's create another screen. Go to menu, algebra, and nsolve, and type the equation. This time we cannot write inequality, we will write an equation, but keep it in mind your solution must be a positive integer. So your answer is either 13 or 14, you have to decide. 13th term is not 500 yet, so U14 is the answer. If you are not sure, you can just test them. Same thing, you press variable U1, type 13 and 14 to see the values. That's it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.